Hello, today we will take a look at the code review of the import strips operator script on how to use this operator or how to integrate it into the menu. Please refer to the previous video. Let's start the review right now. This is the code. This operator is rather simple and short compared to the convenient functions. This operator shows a file browser-like dialog box when it is called. Because it was inherited from the import helper. But what's the import helper? Unfortunately, the official documents have some lacks about this. The idea of using import helper was found while I was browsing somewhere around the internet. Someone explained how to use it, and I saw it. I wrote the code, but I cannot remember where I found it. I think I'm so sorry I couldn't post who gave me the idea. Anyway, we want to bring up the file browser in calling the operator. We have to use import helper or export helper for doing that. This operator also has the section to input other properties. The properties are displayed on the right side of the file dialog box in the declared order. There is an important thing when you declare the properties. We have to use the declaration colon, not the assignment equal. If not, we cannot see the property on the dialog box. And it does not make any error. It is hard to know what the problem is. The core function of this operator is to check the availability of this operator. The availability of this operator is determined by the availability of 3 loading functions used by this operator. So this function uses the return values of the 3 loading functions as they are. The execute function is the action part of this operator. First, it reads the file path and gets the file list. Then, sort the file list according to the user options. For example, if file list is specified, the file list is sorted in the file name order. If reverse order is also specified, we can get it in reverse order. The following next is to load a file in the sorted order. To load a file, we need to specify which frame number where it loads. Here, the end position of the last strip is used. In other programming languages, we have to use looping, but in Python, it can be used like this. When loading a strip, the file extension is used to distinguish the strip as the movie, sound, or image. But actually, I don't know what behavior Blender classified the type of strips. So I have to set the list that I know. So the processing of extension may not be accurate. And the last part is displaying the number of loaded file. This operator has some issue we have to improve. For example, if we know what strips is created after loading the file, or know the media track information of the file before loading it, then we can make this operator a little better. Today, we reviewed the code for the import strips. Many people gave me good comment about this operator. If you find any bugs or improvement ideas about this code, please let me know. And lastly, I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. If you find some bugs about my English speaking, also please let me know. And see you next time. Bye.